He flatlined on the operating table. Multiple heart surgeries, a failing heart, and a brutal warning from doctors: you'll never lift again. But C.T. Fletcher, world champion powerlifter, gym warrior, and relentless motivator, refused to let that be his final chapter. Instead of giving up, he went to war with his own body. He overhauled his lifestyle from top to bottom. He cut out deadly foods that were destroying his heart. He redesigned his training to protect his joints and his life. He rebuilt his body, slowly, smartly, and with a purpose deeper than muscle. Now in his 60s, C.T. Fletcher is living proof that it's never too late to take back your health. In today's video, we reveal the 5 foods he refuses to eat, the supplements that support his recovery, the diet that fuels his second chance at life, and the new workout routine that keeps him strong without risking his heart. If you've ever felt like it's too late to change, this story is for you. Because, as C.T. says, I may be broken, but I ain't beaten. It's still my set. 5 foods C.T. Fletcher never eats. After heart surgery, 1. Fried foods. C.T. Fletcher completely removed fried foods from his diet after his heart surgeries. Foods like fried chicken, French fries, and onion rings are often cooked in oils high in trans fats. These fats raise bad cholesterol, LDL, lower good cholesterol, HDL, and dramatically increase the risk of heart disease. For someone like Fletcher, who faced life-threatening heart issues, fried foods were simply too dangerous to keep around. Instead, he opts for grilled, baked, or air-fried alternatives that are gentler on his cardiovascular system. 2. Processed meats. Bacon, sausage, hot dogs, and deli meats used to be staples in Fletcher's meals, but not anymore. These processed meats are high in saturated fats, preservatives like nitrates, and excessive sodium, ingredients linked to heart disease and high blood pressure. Fletcher now avoids them entirely, choosing clean protein sources like grilled chicken, turkey breast, and plant-based options. He emphasizes that real muscle and long-term strength come from fueling your body with foods that protect your heart, not punish it. 3. High-sodium snacks. After his surgeries, Fletcher realized that salty snacks like chips, pretzels, and canned soups were contributing to dangerous spikes in his blood pressure. These snacks are loaded with sodium, which retains water in the body and forces the heart to work harder. That's a major red flag for anyone with heart issues. Today, C.T. Fletcher opts for fresh, whole foods and makes his own meals to control salt intake. He often says, every bite is either helping or hurting you. 4. Refined sugar. Fletcher made a powerful move by cutting refined sugar from his diet. This includes candy, pastries, sweetened cereals, and even many healthy granola bars. Refined sugar causes inflammation in the body, contributes to fat buildup in arteries, and can spike insulin levels, putting massive strain on the heart. C.T. refers to sugar as a silent killer and replaced it with natural sweeteners like fruit and stevia. He believes beating sugar is one of the hardest but most rewarding steps you can take after a health scare. 5. Soda and sugary drinks. Sodas and sugary drinks were completely eliminated from Fletcher's diet following his heart complications. These beverages not only contain an absurd amount of sugar, but also artificial ingredients that offer zero nutritional value. Fletcher often warns people that drinking soda is like pouring sugar straight into your bloodstream. He now sticks to water, green tea, and natural juices in moderation. For Fletcher, staying hydrated with heart-healthy liquids is part of his daily discipline and long-term survival strategy. What C.T. Fletcher eats instead? Post-surgery diet. 1. Lean proteins. After his heart surgeries, C.T. Fletcher made lean proteins the foundation of his meals. Chicken breast, grilled fish like salmon and tilapia, and plant-based options such as lentils, beans, and tofu are now his go-to choices. These proteins help repair muscles and keep his body strong without clogging arteries. Unlike red meat or processed cuts, these sources are lower in saturated fat and cholesterol. Fletcher believes you can still build real strength and size without risking your life, and lean protein is a major key to that balance. 2. Oatmeal and brown rice. To fuel his workouts and daily activities, CT chooses complex carbohydrates like oatmeal and brown rice. These slow-digesting carbs provide steady energy, stabilize blood sugar, and support heart health through high fiber content. Oatmeal is especially rich in beta-glucan, which helps lower LDL cholesterol. Brown rice, unlike white rice, retains nutrients and fiber that support long-term metabolic health. For Fletcher, these carbs are part of his fuel, not filler philosophy, giving his body what it needs without excess sugar or processed junk. 3. Leafy greens and cruciferous veggies. CT Fletcher now prioritizes vegetables like spinach, kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts to support cardiovascular health and detoxification. These vegetables are loaded with fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Cruciferous veggies also help the body process excess estrogen and toxins, while leafy greens supply key nutrients like magnesium and folate, which are essential for blood pressure regulation. Fletcher often includes them in meals or smoothies, calling them weapons in the war for his health and longevity. 4. Fruits in moderation. While CT Fletcher limits sugar, he still includes fruits, especially berries, apples, and watermelon, in moderation. These fruits provide antioxidants, natural hydration, and essential vitamins like vitamin C and potassium. Unlike refined sugars, the natural sugars in fruit are accompanied by fiber and phytonutrients that actually support heart health. Fletcher advises choosing low glycemic fruits and avoiding dried or canned versions packed with added sugars. For him, fruit is about function, natural energy without the crash. 5. Healthy fats. CT Fletcher didn't eliminate fats, he upgraded them. Instead of greasy fast food or processed oils, he now consumes heart-healthy fats from avocados, extra virgin olive oil, and nuts like almonds and walnuts in moderation. These fats support brain and heart function, reduce inflammation, and help absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Fletcher includes these smart fats in salads, cooked meals, or as snacks to stay fueled and focused. He sees healthy fats as allies, not enemies, when chosen wisely. Supplements he uses. 1. Multivitamin CT Fletcher takes a high-quality multivitamin daily to cover any nutritional gaps in his diet. After heart surgery, maintaining optimal levels of essential vitamins and minerals becomes even more critical, especially when your body is healing and adapting to a cleaner lifestyle. A multivitamin helps support overall immunity, energy levels, and cardiovascular function without relying solely on food sources. For Fletcher, this supplement acts as a foundational backup, not a replacement for real, nutrient-dense meals. 2. CoQ10 coenzyme. CoQ10 is one of CT Fletcher's must-have supplements for heart health. It plays a crucial role in energy production at the cellular level, especially in the heart muscle. After undergoing heart surgery, CoQ10 helps improve heart function and may even reduce the side effects of statins, which some heart patients are prescribed. Fletcher uses CoQ10 to keep his heart strong and energy levels steady, recognizing it as a vital component of his post-surgery recovery and longevity plan. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. To combat inflammation and support cardiovascular health, CT adds omega-3 fatty acids to his daily routine, typically through fish oil or algae-based supplements. Omega-3s help lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and support healthy heart rhythm, critical factors for someone with a history of heart issues. By including omega-3s, Fletcher protects his arteries and promotes long-term heart resilience, proving that you can be both big and heart-smart at the same time. 4th, plant-based protein powder. While Fletcher still builds muscle, he's careful about how he fuels it. Instead of old-school whey or heavy animal-based proteins, he now opts for plant-based protein powders. These provide essential amino acids for recovery without putting additional strain on the heart. They're easier to digest and often come with added nutrients like fiber or greens. For Fletcher, plant protein helps maintain his strength and size without compromising compromising the health he fought so hard to regain. 5. Magnesium and potassium. Magnesium and potassium are critical minerals that support healthy blood pressure and heart rhythm. Two areas C.T. Fletcher closely monitors. Magnesium helps regulate nerve function and muscle contractions, while potassium keeps the heart beating steadily and supports electrolyte balance. Deficiencies in either can lead to cramps, fatigue, or even dangerous arrhythmias. That's why Fletcher makes these minerals part of his daily supplement plan, ensuring his heart has the electrical support it needs to keep powering forward. C.T. Fletcher's new workout routine. One focuses on controlled movements, not ego lifting. After surviving multiple open-heart surgeries, C.T. Fletcher no longer trains to impress others. He trains to live. His workouts now emphasize strict, controlled movements instead of throwing around massive weights. He focuses on proper form, full range of motion, and a mind-muscle connection to minimize risk and maximize benefit. Fletcher stresses that ego lifting has no place in his routine anymore. It's not about how much weight you can move. It's about how well you can move it safely and effectively. 2. Prioritizes machines and cables to reduce joint strain. To protect his surgically repaired heart and aging joints, C.T. now leans heavily on machines and cables in his workouts. These tools provide consistent tension while minimizing the uncontrolled stress that free weights can place on his shoulders, elbows, and knees. Using machines allows him to train with intensity and volume, hallmarks of his style, without risking injury. It's a calculated shift that keeps him active while respecting the limitations of his post-surgery body. 3. Works out 5 to 6 times a week. Despite everything he's been through, Fletcher is still in the gym almost every day. He trains 5 to 6 times a week with laser focus, demonstrating that consistency beats intensity alone. However, his frequency is now paired with smarter planning, ensuring adequate rest for each muscle group. It's no longer about punishing his body, but about honoring it. This new approach allows him to stay in incredible shape without compromising the healing progress he's worked so hard to achieve. 4th, chest, arms, and back-focused training. Even with his modified training style, Fletcher still hits his favorite muscle groups hard. His split often emphasizes chest, arms, and back, areas that allow him to maintain his signature size and aesthetic. He performs exercises like machine chest presses, cable curls, and lat pull-downs with precision and volume. It's a nod to his bodybuilding roots, showing that you can maintain a muscular physique after heart surgery, as long as you train intelligently and consistently. 5. Still believes in high volume and intensity, but with smart recovery. High volume is still in Fletcher's DNA. He believes in pushing the muscle past fatigue to spark growth, but now he couples that with disciplined recovery strategies. He gives each muscle group ample rest, stretches regularly, and pays attention to inflammation and fatigue signals. Recovery is no longer an afterthought. It's part of the program. Fletcher knows firsthand that recovery isn't a luxury for older lifters. It's a necessity for survival and progress. 6. Integrates daily walking and cardio to support his heart. C.T. Fletcher once admitted he didn't prioritize cardio during his early lifting days. Now, post-surgery, it's a vital part of his routine. He includes daily walking sessions, low-impact cycling, or moderate-intensity cardio to strengthen his heart and improve circulation. These activities are essential for maintaining cardiovascular health and boosting endurance. For Fletcher, cardio isn't about aesthetics. It's a life-saving tool, and he treats it with the same seriousness as lifting weights. Key takeaways: 1. C.T. Fletcher proves that even after near-death setbacks, you can rebuild your body. C.T. Fletcher is living proof that a life-threatening health crisis doesn't mean the end of your fitness journey. It can be the start of a smarter, more powerful one. After multiple open-heart surgeries, most would have hung up their gym shoes. Not C.T. He fought his way back, showing that with discipline, mindset, and a refusal to quit, you can rebuild a strong, functional body at any age. His story is a testament to grit, resilience, and never giving up on yourself, no matter how broken you feel. 2. His strict diet and smarter training are a blueprint for longevity. Fletcher's evolution from hardcore powerlifter to heart-conscious athlete is a masterclass in adaptation. He swapped out fried foods and soda for lean proteins, greens, and healthy fats. His ego lifting gave way to controlled, machine-based training designed for sustainability, not just strength. By listening to his body and making health his top priority, CT built a routine that promotes longevity while keeping him muscular and mobile. It's a plan anyone can follow, whether you're 30 or 73. He says, "I may be broken, but I ain't beaten. It's still my set." This iconic quote from CT Fletcher sums up everything he stands for. He doesn't deny the damage done to his body. He owns it, but he refuses to let it define or defeat him. "It's still my set" means the fight isn't over, the work isn't done, and there's always another rep left to give. That mindset, more than muscle, is the heart of CT's comeback. It's a mantra for anyone who's ever faced obstacles, physical or otherwise, and a reminder that no matter the setback, you're still in the game.